1 lakh rupees equals a maxed out gaming experience. Let's dive into the ultimate high FPS gaming build. First up, we've got the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, the ultimate FPS king that crushes any game you throw at it. Pair that with the RTX 4070 Super, delivering pure power for stunning graphics and smooth gameplay. Next, we're loading in 32GB of DDR5 RAM for next-level speed, ensuring multitasking is a breeze. For storage, a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD guarantees lightning-fast load times, so you can jump straight into the action. The B650E motherboard is your future-proof foundation, ready for whatever comes next. A 750W gold-rated PSU ensures your system runs efficiently and reliably. And let's not forget the case. Premium airflow combined with RGB lighting makes this build not just powerful, but visually stunning too. Who's upgrading? Comment fire if you love this build.